Let's make mashed potatoes and steak. Start by peeling my potatoes. Some of the parts of this videos were cut in order to make it so short. So some processes you will not be seeing in this video. After washing my potatoes, I sliced it into pieces, added the garlic and add water to cook. I cooked these potatoes to soft, including the garlic. They were all soft. After cooking, I sieved the water out, making sure that there is no water remaining. Set this aside and added milk and 2 spoons of butter. And this is going to the microwave to melt them together, warm it a bit. And this will be used for our mashed potatoes. While that is in the microwave, I started by I've washed the steak and set it aside before now. Now I'm trying to add spices on it, spice them together. Added black pepper on it and salt. After doing this, I added vegetable oil on. I think I'm a bit too fast, right? Okay. Then I started to fry the steak. While this is cooking, I make sure to check them to avoid burnings, turn them over so that the other parts can cook. I added fresh rosemary to this and also some fresh garlic. Also, I added a little piece of butter in this while cooking this. After cooking, I had to take out the steak and started stir frying my broccoli. I won't be frying this for too long because I need the nutrients. So here my potatoes is still there and the milk and butter is ready, and I have to pour it into this potato and start mashing it. Before I started mashing this potato, I make sure that the heat of the broccoli is off so that I can concentrate on this and mash it very well. While mashing this, it's not that hard because it's already soft, and it was so interesting and easy to mash because it's soft a bit. I usually like my mash to be a bit soft and not hard. This makes it creamy, and I also added pour in some double cream. Added black pepper and salt. salt to taste. This is ready. See you later.